Hi, Christine Tony here. I'm just going to try and do a really close-up how-to video for our Swerve. The Swerve U-pins are a little bit unique, but they have the same technique as our traditional U-pins and the long U-pins and sticks in general. But I'm going to show you the Swerve in particular today, and I have my husband helping out holding the video. So I'm going to start, the first way I'm going to do it is with a French twist, and it's what I call a cheat French twist. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my hair into a twist. You can tuck in any extra. You need to have a roll right here, something to grab a hold of. Then grab the U-pin. And I'm going to start with the curve up like this. So I'm going to grab just a little bit to that outer edge of that twist. But the key is I'm going to grab hair from the outside of the twist. And I'm going to kind of dig the ends in there, and then I keep contact with my scalp, roll it over, and slide it along my scalp. Okay? Then it's a very secure hold with minimal of the swerve showing. Okay, so that's a French twist, all day hold. Okay, now I'm going to show you a traditional looser, messy bun, but you'll still have something to hold on to once you twist it. Okay, so I'm gonna angle it down this way this time. So I'm going to just kind of wrap my hair around. You can make a traditional bun, but sometimes if you have a lot of hair, the tighter it is, the harder it is to manipulate, but you'll get the idea. So I kind of flatten out my bun. Again, I'm gonna start with the curve up, and I'm gonna get just that outer edge of the bun, okay? Then I'm gonna grab hair from outside with those two prongs, keep contact with my scalp, bring it along the scalp, and then before I come out the other side, bring it back up to catch just that bottom part of that bun. And then you can loosen it up a little bit, but a very lightweight, comfortable bun. But that will secure it. You're grabbing that hair, the outer edges of the twist or the bun, and then grabbing that hair from outside that kind of locks it in. So I hope that helps. If you have questions, you can just let me know. Thanks.